Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right front burner orifice in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off the right side grate. Remove the burner cap. To help grip the orifice, place a piece of tape in a 7mm socket or nut driver. You can now unthread the old orifice from the holder. Install the new orifice by inserting it into the socket or nut driver. Then thread it into the holder. Realign the burner cap and grate. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.